Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Expensify app on your mobile phone, which helps to manage your expenses. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for Expensify like this. Now you can see the app here, Expensify Receipts and Expenses. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it. Now you can use it to manage your expenses. You can log in either with email, phone number, Google or Apple. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.